tell me what you want these amazing extensions to do for you.
Well, I'm hoping they can work their magic on the thinness of my hair. It's always been really thin. I'm hoping to get some thickness.
So give it like a good weight line.
Yes.
So I think that what we kind of previously discussed, doing one row just strictly for density, it's going to give you slightly a little bit of length, but nothing super major. And the amazing thing is that we don't have to do anything with your color, and we can use the extensions like you see here.
Yeah.
I actually colored the top 2 differently. So I went over it twice so that we have depth to match kind of more what your hair is freshly doing, and then also give you dimension and brightness. So we can kind of use that to mix together to give you those pops and richness. And then as you fade, I know you said you do, how often do you like refresh your color when you do refresh it?
Probably every couple of months.
Yeah, so this will be nice because having the multiple colors in there, you'll be able to have that contrast so that when you fade, then you'll have some of those tones in your hair too. So you don't have to worry about it like showing, and it'll still really be super seamless and not be super low maintenance on your part as for color, because we already know that extensions are maintenance. So we want to keep your natural as low maintenance as we can. That's always my goal, so.
Love it.
Let's talk really quick about how you like to wear your hair on a regular basis. Is it a priority to you to be able to wear it up?
Yeah, usually high ponies or messy bun. It's always down the middle. That's always where I part it. I do keep it down quite a bit, but I do like the option, like going to the gym and everything.
Amazing. Well, you picked a great method to keep it hidden all the time. We are looking for your parietal ridge and making sure that your row is either going to sit below it or above it, because that's just the widest part of the head naturally and where things can just get uncomfortable. I know you'll never pay attention so much to your scalp like your hairstylist will, but you do have a little bit of a give at your scalp. So the cool thing is when we put up this ponytail, there are different ways that people do it. How I like to do it is I actually already release tension when I'm making your bun, so that if I pulled it too tight, do you see that? So imagine if a bead, I pop that bead on with your bun being that tight at the top, and then released it, you're gonna have so much tension and so much shedding. So I naturally just kind of release as I'm putting the bun. So you see I already let it be in its natural state, and then just enough that it's taut, but not too much that it's taking your hair away from its natural growth and natural fall. How does it feel?
It feels so good, so comfortable, like it doesn't feel tight or heavy. So good.